Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to optimize atomic position of the system. Before we start the tutorial, please ensure that you have installed Quantum Espresso and all the necessary software package on your PC. You have also need to download the input file which is given in the previous video or in the link description video below. Without further ado, let's start this tutorial. And there are 6 parameters that we need to check for basic convergences. In previous video, we have checked the convergency of the total energy as function of cutoff energy and K-points grid. In this video, we will check the optimization of atomic position and lattice relaxation that give the system that have minimum energy. Okay, let's start with the optimizing atomic position. In Quantum Espresso, the default algorithm for structural optimization is the BFGS algorithm, which was proposed by Broyden, Fletcher, Goldfarb, and Shano. The BFGS algorithm is an iterative method for solving unconstrained nonlinear optimization problem. This figure shows the flowchart of the optimization atomic position in QE. At each step of BFGS algorithm, the new positions of the atomic uh, position are obtained. Then the total energy and the forces are calculated by using SGF method and Hellman-Feynman theorem respectively. When the change of total energy and all components of all forces are smaller than the convergence criteria which are given in the input file, and then the optimized atomic position are obtained. And to run this tutorial, you should open this folder and also open the terminal. First, we change the directory here: cd qessp gr and relax. And then the second line, okay, in this folder, there are some input file run.hh. Yeah, this is a relaxation for graphene. We running this command uh, by typing mpi run minus mp4 pw.x relax.in and relax.out. Okay, and then enter. Okay, while the calculation is running, let me explain the input file for optimizing atomic position. Okay, the input file can be seen in this folder. Uh, Relax, yeah, in this folder relax.in here, yeah, or you can see in this slide. Okay, in this input file, the calculation of optimizing atomic position can be performed by selecting calculation relax in the nameless control. And the convergence criteria for the change of total energy and the forces are set by setting E thought conv result and force conv result in the nameless control. And then the BFGS algorithm is set in the nameless ions as ion dynamics equal to BFGS. Note that the nameless ions is the only mandatory addition parameter. There are several variables that can be specified within this nameless, which control the algorithm used to find the optimized atomic position. However, you can leave it empty if you are happy with selecting all default. And here is the description of some input variables. In order to observe the displacement of carbon atom in a unit cell of graphene, one atom carbon is fixed by adding 3 0 here, and other carbon atom is set to be relaxed. And we expect that this atom position will move to the optimal position. We can see here the second atomic position is 0.4, and while the first atomic position is in Z direction is 0.5. And note that we can select the coordinates that will be fixed or not in the relaxation by adding either 0 or 1 in each atomic position. In this case, 0 for fixed and 1 for relaxed position. If no option is specified, then all atom position is assumed to be relaxed. Okay, is the calculation finished? Yeah. And then the optimized atomic position are given in the output file relax.out. You can open the output file in the terminal by typing notepad relax.out. Yeah, here. And see the last line. If the calculation finish and the job done is written at the end of the output file. And to search forward for final state, you can search the word Control F by using keyword final. Yeah, here. Final. And this output file show that the BFGS converge in 8 SGF cycle and 7 BFGF steps. Then energy difference between two consecutive steps is 10 to minus 5 Rydberg, and the force is 10 to minus 4 Rydberg per Bohr. And the second atom carbon here is moved to the final position. And you can visualize the optimized ion position by using X-Christian. By typing X-Christian here. Search open output file, open PWSCF output file relax.out, and open close to not reduce dimensionality display all coordinates as animation. Yeah, you can see here that the second atom will move to the right position. Okay. Okay. Next, we will show how to optimize the lattice factor of the unit cell or the variable cell relaxation or VC-relax. And similar to optimization of atomic position, we can optimize the unit cell by using BFGS algorithm. To run this tutorial, we should type the following command. Open again the terminal. Okay, we clear this and change directory to VC-relax. Yeah, we have a VC-relax input here, and we run the pw .x by using parallel calculation. I run minus mp4 pw x and vcrelax.in vcrelax.out. Guys, mp sorry, I forgot to express. Yeah. And while the calculation is running, let me explain the input file for optimizing of unit cell. The input file is shown in this VC Relax, yeah, VC Relax here, vc.in here, or you can see in this slide. Okay, the calculation for optimizing the unit cell can be performed by setting calculation is VC Relax in the nameless control, and we need to specify both ions and the cell nameless. Note that the convergence criteria for optimized unit cell is based on pressure, which set by threshold, pressure convergence threshold, and for two-dimensional materials as graphene, we also need to set cell Dufry equal to 2dxy, means that only x and y component are optimized. The description of some input variable is given in this table. Okay, is calculation finished? Yeah. Okay, if the calculation is finished, you can check the output by using notepad, maybe notepad vc relax.out. Yeah, here we go to the last part. Yeah, it's job done, and yeah, here the where is the final controls F and final position. Yeah, and this is the new cell parameter, and this is the new atomic position. Okay, you can see here. Yeah. Both optimized atomic position and lattice vector are given the output file vc-relax.out, and you can open the output file by using notepad. If the calculation finished and job done is written in the end of the output file. To search forward for final set, search final in the vc-relax.out. This output file shows that the optimized structure with the convergence criteria of the energy difference is here 10 to minus 5 Rydberg, and the total force is 10 to minus 4 Rydberg per bore. And in plane pressure of the unit cell is which one? Yeah, here total stress is minus 0.3 kilobar. Okay, and the optimized lattice vector are given in cell parameters in the block of final coordinates. Note that the lattice vector are given explicitly in Bohr, yeah, along with a scaling factor islet 4.7, which converted from a 2.5 angstrom. Yeah, here. And the optimized lattice constant is 2.5 times here 0.78 and equal to 2.4 angstrom, which is consistent with the experimental value 2.46 angstrom by Otta et al. In 2006. And also you can visualize this lattice visualize this optimized parameter by using XChristian. Again, you can open the output file relax.out vc relax.out. and continue. You can see the animation. Okay, for the summary, we have optimized the atomic position and also lattice parameter of graphene. The relaxed lattice constant is 2.46 angstrom, which is consistent with the experimental value. In the next video, we will discuss how to select the proper pseudopotential and the smearing function. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.